Hello, this is Greg with iSmart Payments. If you own an automotive shop, we have something really cool for you called Automotive SmartPay. And let me show you how it works. If you ever seen at the gas station, they have two prices, both card and cash. You could do the same and wipe away all your payment processing fees. These are smart terminals made by Deja Vu. They come with next morning funding and no contracts from iSmart Payments with our Automotive SmartPay system. So let me type in a transaction and show you how it works. So let's type in, for instance, for $10, tap OK, tap Sale, customer facing PIN pad, there's a card and a cash price. Your customer can choose however they want to pay by tapping card or cash. Then they can pay with their smartphone, Apple, Android, Google Pay, doesn't matter. They could also use their card, of course. And here's our mobile unit for your Automotive SmartPay that you can take anywhere throughout your shop or if you're ever on the road. Type in a transaction for $10, hit OK. Same thing, card and cash prices. Your customer can tap however they want to pay, card or cash. Wipes away all your payment processing fees. Again, they come with next morning funding, no contracts, free from iSmart Payments with our Automotive SmartPay system. Give me a call or send me a text. This is Greg, 801-205-1955, or you can get it free in about 15 minutes in the link in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Waiting for your call. We'll talk soon.